All right, let me guess. You're scared of AI, but you really want to use Claude, and you don't know how to do it, and you feel intimidated and all that stuff. But in about 10 minutes, you'll know exactly how to use Claude. What does the free version give you? And I'll teach you that one habit that separates people who get real results from AI versus the people who give up after one day. Stick with me. Hey, what's up? This is Rio from Leveling Up AI, and this video is for you if you've ever heard about AI everywhere and you might have opened one of these tools like once, stared at an empty box, typed something, got a mediocre answer, and closed the tab.
It's not a you problem. Nobody showed you how this actually works. So this is the video we wish someone made for us. No jargon, no hype, just the stuff you will actually use. And here is a fact most people do not know. The company behind Claude shared data this month showing most people use it for everyday work, documents, planning, research, not coding, regular people doing regular things. That is who this tool is for now.
So Claude is an AI assistant made by a company called Anthropic. You use it the same way you would text a friend. You type, it answers. That's the whole interface.
There is nothing to install and nothing to set up. You go to Claude AI, make a free account, and you are in. Here is what Claude's free plan actually includes in 2026, because most people assume it is a useless demo. It is not. On the free plan, you get Claude's current everyday models, and they are strong. You get web search so it can look things up for you. You can upload files, a PDF, a photo of a document, a spreadsheet, and ask questions about them. And you get projects, which we will come back to because it is the most underrated feature in the whole app. The catch? A message limit. The free plan works on a rolling window. Use your messages, wait a few hours, they come back. For most beginners, that is plenty to learn with. So the price of finding out whether AI is useful to you is $0. The only real cost is 10 minutes of trying. Start free. If you ever hit the limit so often it annoys you, that is the sign it earned an upgrade, not before.
Now the part that nobody teaches. What do you actually type?
Most people type like they are searching Google. 3 words, no context. Then the answer is generic and they decide AI is overrated. Talk to Claude like it is a smart person who just walked into the room and knows nothing about your situation. Every good prompt has 3 parts. Part 1, say what you want in plain English. Part 2, give it the context a stranger would need. Part 3, say what the answer should look like. Here is the difference. Bad prompt, meal plan. Good prompt, make me a 5-day dinner plan for a family of 4. Budget is $100, one kid is a picky eater, and I only have 30 minutes to cook. Give it to me as a simple list with a grocery list at the end. Same tool, completely different result. The formula is the difference. And here is the follow-up habit. Your first answer is a first draft, not a final answer. Say, make it shorter. Say, explain that like I am brand new. Say, give me steps. Claude gets better every time you push back. And pushing back is not rude. It is the whole point.
Okay, enough theory. Here are 5 things you can hand Claude this week.
1 per day if you want. Number 1, the email trick. Everybody has that message they keep putting off. The landlord, the boss, the refund request. Type this. Help me write a firm but polite email. Here's the situation. And then just brain dump what happened. Messy is fine. Claude turns your mess into a clean draft in seconds. Read it, tweak 1 line so it sounds like you, send it. A task you avoided for a week, done in 2 minutes. Number 2, plan your week. Dump everything on your plate into 1 message and ask Claude to sort it into a schedule with the important stuff first. Number 3, explain anything. A confusing bill, a contract, a form. Upload a photo of it and ask, explain this to me like I have never seen one before, and tell me what to check before I sign. Number 4, learn something you have been putting off. Tell Claude your goal and ask for a 7-day plan with 20 minutes a day. It will build you a real one. Number 5, Decisions. Lay out two options you are stuck between and ask Claude to argue both sides before you decide. It is like borrowing a level-headed friend at midnight. Notice none of those were techie. That is the point. Claude is not a coding tool that regular people borrow. It is an everyday tool that happens to also code.
Now, one more thing before the payoff.
Because this is where beginners level up fast. Projects. A project is a workspace inside Claude that remembers your stuff. You make one, you tell it the background once, and every chat inside it starts already knowing your situation. Make one called My Job with a few lines about what you do. One called Family Stuff with the picky eater and the budget. Then you never re-explain your life again, and the answers get sharper because Claude has the full picture. It is on the free plan. Most beginners never touch it. Touch it!
Do not just watch this and move on.
Tonight, open Claude AI and type this one prompt. I'm brand new to AI. Ask me 5 quick questions about my work and my week. Then tell me the 3 ways you can save me the most time, and we'll start with 1. That one prompt flips the whole thing. Instead of you figuring out what Claude can do, Claude figures out what it can do for you. 5 minutes and you will have a real answer to whether this thing is worth your time.
If you try that prompt, come tell us what Claude found for you. We are building a free community of beginners, figuring this thing out together. Real people, real questions, nobody talking down to you. The link is right below this video. And just remember to like and subscribe because that's how we're going to grow. We watch AI all day so you don't have to. See you in the next one.
Thanks so much for watching. If you got something out of this, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI Made Simple. I've got a couple more videos right here on screen. Pick one and keep going. We watch AI all day so you don't have to. See you in the next one.